Welcome to part 2 from day 2 of the Bangalore Travel Series. सुबह सुबह नंदी हिल्स एक्सप्लोर करने के बाद we headed out to a temple which was built in the 9th century. Oh yes, before I forget, there are some hotels and restaurant at the base of Nandi Hills, giving you this information so that you can plan your trips accordingly. आज का second location, that is the temple, is about 16 kilometers from Nandi Hills and it takes around 25 minutes to reach there. So we made it here pretty easy with the help of Google Maps. Bhoga Nandeshwar Temple and Arunachaleshwar Temple are twin Hindu temples located in Nandi village in Chikbellapur district of Karnataka. Bhoga Nandeshwara is the northern temple of the twin. It is the oldest surviving temple from the Nolamvadi style of Dravidian architecture in Karnataka. The Arunachaleshwara temple is the south temple which was added shortly thereafter. The complex underwent restorations and additions throughout the Vijayanagara Empire period. Each shrine has a Nandi Mandap in front of it. The outer bounding wall of the complex has two smaller goddess shrines. Beyond this compound is a large step tank, locally called Sringeri Tirtha. This area is actually very huge और ये टेम्पल भी बहुत ही बड़ा है and बहुत ही अच्छा है. So right now we are planning to go to the third location which is Avalabetta. तो आज के दिन का second location भी हो गया है and we are heading towards, I'll put the name over here because I cannot pronounce it properly. So far so good. The time is 11:35 and both the destinations are done. So that's good. Till now the ride was going smoothly and only half a day was spent. Most of the places were done. Ride to Avalabetta was fun initially. There were all sorts of natural wonders around the way. And also we got a chance to see Chikbellapur district and the market area. Remember this map? Yeah. if you are starting your journey to Avalabetta from Bhoga Nandeshwar Temple, be sure to take this route because this one was a bit beaten up and not the best. Also very solitary for most part. Only later we found a bit of traffic on the road. Finally made it to the place. So over here we were not allowed to take our bikes on top even though there was a clear road and cars went up there too. Apparently only people who have some kind of offerings to the temple on top are allowed to take their vehicles. Offerings may include flowers, essence sticks and fruits or all of them. So हम लोग ने बाइक वहाँ पे नीचे रखी and we began to walk to go to the top of the hill. Mind you, the time was about 1 p.m. and we were already having a discussion on whether to climb or not. Also, there is a habit here of the locals that they try to forcefully sell you water bottles, coconut water and cucumbers. All of this was kind of in our head and we were thinking of whether to go on top or just go back from here. On our way to the top, we met a few tourists. They told us that the viewpoint, which was our main attraction to come here, was now closed off with fences like these, and police officials are kept all over the place. And the temple itself was pretty busy today. So with the viewpoint closed off, we decided to head back to our scooters and ride back home. पर वो प्लेस कुछ इस तरह से दिखता है. यहाँ पे ऊपर एक टेम्पल है and there is this viewpoint over here. Actually the viewpoint is from all the directions so you can have a look, and the hanging cliff thing was the main attraction over here. Apparently the place gets overcrowded on weekends, so government has decided for safety purposes to close off the area. So my advice to you would be, first take this route, second come early morning or after 4 because in between the sun really gets to you, and come here on weekdays and yeah, get some flowers or essence sticks if you wanna take your vehicle on top. We made some new friends here and we went along with them for some time as even they were heading to Bangalore. And just have a look at this road. Isn't it much better than the previous one? While heading back, we took a halt at this restaurant and the food here was absolutely amazing. Everything we ordered was just too good and the rates were reasonable as well. After a good heavy lunch, we are now heading back towards Bangalore to drop off our friend. And as we got closer to dropping him off, the Bangalore traffic welcomed us. Dropped him off and now we were heading towards our stay. I won't be able to record anything as I'll be riding the scooter. So I'll meet you now directly when we reach in our area.
A few moments later.
Finally reached at our stay और टाइम हो चुका है 5:49. The ride was good except for the last place, वो थोड़ा extra हो गया, and plus we took the wrong route or you can say not so good route. इसके लिए और थोड़ा तकलीफ, but otherwise the ride was pretty good. I will tell you all the total kilometers and everything. पहले थोड़ा फ्रेश होता हूँ and I will get back to you. Okay, तो आज के दिन हम लोग ने टोटल आज के दिन हम लोग ने टोटल 238 किलोमीटर्स एक्टिवा चलाई है. Yes, 238. So after a quick nap, now we have decided to go for dinner and it started raining here again. So after dinner, we decided to head towards a mall which was around a kilometer from this place. तो आज का लास्ट डेस्टिनेशन है गोपालन सिग्नेचर मॉल. So this is the Gopalan Signature Mall. Sadly, most of the things were closed in the mall. Apparently, the mall closes by just 9 p.m. So, disappointed, we headed back home. After heading back home, we treated ourselves with a movie. See you in day 3 of this Bangalore series. In that episode, we would experience a wildlife safari. So stay tuned. Video यहाँ तक देखने के बाद like का बटन दब जाना चाहिए. Thank you so much for watching, subscribing and sharing my videos. See you in the next one. Take care and peace.
So please subscribe, whatever.